Today's video, it's about the real heroes among us who save lives every day without asking for awards or receiving glory. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are always welcome. Note the gray Kia, the passenger of which gave his shoes to a pedestrian. The rescue service received a call about a man who had jumped into the water and could not climb back up.
Chief, I could stand by at that location.
Hold on to that. Yeah, I got it. I got him good. Let go of me. Let's grab Chris. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give him your hand. Chris, I got you. Pat, grab his shirt.
Do you see the bolt there?
Put your foot on there.
Right up. Right up. Come on.
A little higher. A little higher. Bring your foot up there.
Get that right foot right on that bolt. You got it, sweetie. Lift that right knee. Lift that right on the back of that bolt. You see it?
Go down one more. Got it, Brian. You got it?
Pull the red line.
Pull the red. You got to grab onto the ladder, dear. Grab onto the ladder. It's working so far. Good. Get these guys out of the water. You can let go of my belt. We got her? We got her? Get these guys out of the water. Watch Willie's hand. Give me your hands, bro. Up, all the way. Let's go. Up. All right, get him in the car. Get him in the car. Hang on. Watch this rock, Joe. Yep. This rock.
All right.
The locals called the police after noticing a screaming duck that had been standing at the storm drain for hours.
Yep.
Oh.
There's like 3 of them. Oh, there's 6 of them.
I think they could too.
Yeah. Oh. Never mind. Okay. All right, ready?
Ready?
Don't go there.
And anything that's coming back clear on Lindell Avenue South for a 2004 Gold Ford. I show no hesitation about it.
Thanks.
No problem, 564, go ahead.
564, never mind.
Come here, honey.
What's your head? Yeah, don't make it open by that big hole there.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Okay.
Oh, you're crying.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's happy now.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Watch your hand.
A police officer blocked traffic to help push the broken down car, which was standing in the middle of the highway. Parents of a young child called the police because their car closed by itself, along with the keys and the child inside.
There's no baby in that.
Look really close.
Is there? I don't see any feet or anything. Oh yeah, there is. There's a baby in there. Yeah, definitely in there. Something long and skinny. I guess right here, this might work. That might work.
The police decided not to break the glass, but to open the door carefully so not to injure the child.
Oh, I would, but I don't want to.
Baby's starting to scream in here.
Let me.
Let me see. Yeah, let me see that. Yeah, perfect. Let me get that too. Both. Thank you.
I mean, don't. Target was Tunisia and. I'll call you back with more details, but everything's good. We're good. All right.
I don't have any information on it other than it's 1 month.
Is he crying?
Yeah.
All right, honey.
I'm close to this spot right here.
Can you look back like this here?
Okay.
I'm gonna try to get one of these windows. Pull it a little bit harder.
There you go.
I get it?
See? I come in and help out.
Nice.
Take a stripe from maybe.
We appreciate it.
What's up? Oh, there's a bottle. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Globally, showing a gun in a footage does not violate anything, but there is a specific segment of viewers who complain about this to YouTube, and they turn off monetization on a particular video. And if there is no monetization, YouTube's algorithms don't show your video to another viewers. Now there is no monetization at all, but in the future, if it can be brought back, then at least this video will be monetized. Yes, I am still in Ukraine. Thanks for the wishes. I have always wanted to go to the US and even had such plans for this year, but thanks to the war and the monetization cut off, I don't think it will ever happen. Thanks for the watching and good luck, guys.